Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete payment method. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a payment method on Lucidchart is a simple process that might be necessary for a lot of reasons, including security, financial management, or even account changes. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the upper right corner, all right, where you can see your profile icon, and I want you to click the account settings. Once you're here, I want you to click the plan and billing. This will forward you to the payment method. If you were able to upgrade your free plan to a subscription, you would notice that you should be able to see any kind of payment method that you have associated during the checkout process. It can be from debit, credit card, or maybe some of the options that you have here. All I'm going to do is find the payment method you want to remove, click the remove or delete button next to it. In some interfaces, this may appear as a trash icon or similar option. All right, it's very easy thing to do. Now, if in case you're having problems removing your payment method here, even though it's already auto-populated on this section, you might want to go to the help section here on the top corner. Click that, and of course, you might want to ask the resources for Lucidchart to see if you get an answer. Right? Normally, they give some guidelines here. If you don't find an answer, all right, you might wanna click this contact us option at the bottom here, because that would require some assistance from the Lucidchart technical support or customer support staff, right? Send them an email or whatnot. So hold on, let me just hover down below where you can see the get support options. All right, so from here, contact submit a ticket, click the submit a ticket, click the product support team, and from here provide your email, product support increase, and of course the subject, which is gonna be this. Provide some attachments if you want. All right, you can drag and drop and file, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. All right, especially if the payment method is associated with an active subscription. Deleting it without adding another method may lead to a suspension to your account. Now, for team or enterprise accounts, only account administrators may have the ability to manage payment methods. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.